Mika, aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are actually seeing this video, girl, that means the footage came out good and I'm actually proud of it. This look was something that I've wanted to do for a while. It's so simple. It's easy for the girl that doesn't want to put too much into getting a costume. The only two things that I purchased were this wig honey from Fashion Nova coming through with the rainbow unicorn colors, and then this little cute headband. How cute is this? It is perfect for Halloween. I've just used some makeup that I had lying around. Girl, when I say simple, all you have to do is throw on some clothes, beat your face, your headband, and your hair, and go. So anyways, let me stop talking. Go ahead and get into this little Halloween makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Always, always, always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye. So first, I'm going to go in using my NYX Brow Contour Kit. I'm just using the gel in this contour kit, and I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my brow. This is going to help this color really sit in well. This deep purple color is from the Makeup Revolution Ultimate Color Chaos palette, which is great for this time of year. It has loads of colors that are bright and full of pigment. So yeah, I'm just going to fill in my brow, and then I'm going to go back into my palette and pat this whole color in so it really takes form and shape of my brow. As you guys can see, I've already done my foundation, and I almost started on this eye, and I said, wait, let me film this look for y'all. So that's what we're doing. Next, I'm going to go out with this bright pink color from the same palette and use that in my crease. As you can see, I had already started using it, but now I'm just going to go ahead and fully go at it in my crease till it's, you know, a nice blended color. I'm going to go on with that purple again, and I'm just going to do that on the inner and the outer edges to complete this look, leaving enough space for me to be able to fill in this silver color that I'm going to use. That is gorgeous. This is gorgeous on its own, but guess what? I'm going to show y'all how to make this pop. Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, and I'm going to go in with the extraterrestrial color. As you guys can see, it's full of pigment. I love it, and I'm just going to pat that over. And I think I realized that I may have messed up, but don't worry. We're going to fix it. We're going to fix it. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that on, and then I'm going to come back in with the same fluffy brush I used to blend in the purple and just dab that in there and blend it in. This way the color kind of goes seamlessly into the look. As for under my eye, I'm just going to mix this pink and purple together just to create a seamless flow of colors. And I'm going to follow up with putting the silver in the middle because, you know, it's got to be coordinated. It's so weird doing voiceovers, y'all. Anyways, I'm going with my new favorite lashes from Glamify. These are in the style GB9. They are bomb. They cannot be bomb if you don't put them on right, but I got y'all. Then I'm going to highlight my brow bone with the Shayla Perception palette using the color Unbothered. It is a beautiful, like, golden pearl color. I love it. It's gorgeous. And I'm just going to put that under my brow bone. Now time for some highlight because obviously I need to glow for this look. I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend that all in. Oh, I forgot to mention I had already done my foundation and I used the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the color 380. So yeah. Anyways, back to the tutorial. Now I'm going to mix the same colors I used on my lids on my face. So just that pink and that purple, I'm going to blend them together using this brush, and I'm going to contour my forehead and my cheekbones. Now I'm going to go in with that same silver color from the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, and I'm going to highlight again on my cheekbones, and I'm also going to use it to do some glittery tears. I don't know why, but I feel like unicorns cry glitter tears, obviously. And then I'm going to go in with the Pixie Beauty Velvet Violet eyeliner. I use it to line my lips. I wasn't really sure how I was going to do my lips, but this ended up working for me in the end. Then I use this lip palette from Pixie Beauty, and I use the color Corazon and put that in the middle of my lids. And I'm also going to be using more Pixie products to do my lashes. I love the lash primer, and when you pair it with the mascara, it is everything. How crazy do I look doing my bottom lashes? It's a struggle. Going back in with that same silver, I'm just going to do my inner corners. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and change my wig. Girl, this unicorn multicolored wig from Fashion Nova is coming through. And then I went ahead and I paired it with this cute little unicorn headband, which is bomb.com. Make sure you check the description box below for the link so you can get you one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.